Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Camry rotors. First, gather all necessary tools, including a floor jack, jack stands, a metric socket set, and a torque wrench capable of 100 foot-pounds. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and securely supported by jack stands. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, throughout the entire process to prevent injury. Next, we'll begin disassembling the old brake system. After safely removing the wheel, locate and remove the two 14mm caliper bolts. Gently slide the caliper off and secure it with a bungee cord or hook to prevent damage to the brake hose. Then, remove the two 17mm caliper bracket bolts, which are often torqued to 79 foot-pounds. Finally, remove the old rotor. If it's stuck, you can thread two 8mm bolts into the rotor hat or tap it with a rubber mallet to loosen it. Now, let's install the new components. First, clean the wheel hub with a wire brush and brake cleaner to ensure a smooth mounting surface. Install the new rotor, making sure it sits flush. Lubricate the caliper slide pins with silicone grease and install the new brake pads into the caliper bracket. Reinstall the caliper bracket, tightening its two 17mm bolts to 79 foot-pounds. Finally, reattach the caliper, torquing its two 14mm slide pin bolts to 25 foot-pounds. For the final steps, reinstall the wheel, tightening the lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm to properly seat the new pads. Next, perform a brake bedding procedure in a safe area. Accelerate to 60 miles per hour, then brake firmly down to 15 miles per hour, repeating this 7 to 9 times. Afterward, drive for 5 to 10 minutes, without braking to allow the components to cool completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.